Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
In this tutorial, as a spoken English teacher, I have a proposition, and the point as what has given to you by me, according to that certain sense, as whatever the discussion as what you make. I hope that you can able to clarify it with much effort as what you have already done yourselves. Now let us start about it without wasting time. Now I would like to come to you as an initiator. Please start.
Good evening, friends. My name is Sipsankar Mandal. I'm a student of costing. Today, our topic is advertisement wastage of resources? Is it right or wrong? Advertisement is a part of the production cost. It is included in selling and distribution overhead. First, we know what's called the advertisement. That advertisement, when a product launch in an existing market, it has no identity. Then it's need a identity. Advertisement give identity to the product. In entry level of the product, has company doesn't think about the profit of the product. They think that how to introduce the product and get the survival of this product. So advertisement used as a channel to publish their product in the existing market.
Yes, I agree with you, but I want to add some points here about relating with this topic. So first of all, I want to give a description about advertisement. What is it? If you thinking advertisement in an easy manner, then you can say that advertisement is a suggestion of us for creating the products. As we all know that we are taking suggestions before our matric examinations from various students and various teachers and various books. Also like this, relating with this issue, we can say advertisement as a suggestion like where the companies, the producers are producing and recommending that certain products which will be very much better, which if we can use it, then it will be betterment for ourselves.
Yes, my friend already told about his concern, and I think that advertisement is one of the thing that could be increase the product's sales capacity and the channel of the distribution through the company can generate their revenue and profits. The only way is that advertisement, and one of the thing is important for the product, that is competitive advantage. That is totally a separate concept than other companies product.
Now problem may arise here that according to advertisement is just like a external beauty. Now question arise here, when we saw advertisement of a product, to make it more colorful to the audience or viewers, they added some extraordinary features which is not actually present in the general product. But after seeing that, when we go to any shop or any retailer to buy this product and compare to both of them with the actual general product and with the advertisement product, then we can see them hell and heaven different. So yes, this is one of the most important problem here.
I agree with your viewpoints, and also I have in mind that advertisement is the strategy to create place for new product to complete the competition with the existing product. As per the strategic management, every product has the peak point and the downfall, and peak point decided by the advertisement, because the advertisement gets certain type of the benefit to the new product to survival and the still keep their growth in the market.
As you gone in the end of any products, any company strategies, you were saying that when a company launch their products, they also survive at least. But I want to say here about the initial part of launching a product for a company. When you are opening a business, you need a capital, and how the people can know your products, what type of benefits they will get from your product, why it is important, that should be known only by advertisement, and that is here advertisement plays a key role for start a business.
Okay.
I also give an example about the advertisement, and one of the company that's they have a big distribution network in the sector of paints industry. Okay, that is Asian Paints. Asian Paint have the one features that they have the 51% market share of the organized sector, and their quality and other things relating to the product and the branding and the label and other things are all are different from other companies. So they can provide the sufficient satisfaction to the consumers. By that way, consumer can be trusted on their product from lot of years. By this way, now the company is one of the trusted company in India. So I think advertisement can also increase the trustness of the products, and product can be sell and there, and also enhance the distribution network, and company can be survive from lot of years in future, I think.
Not only, but not only that, sir. What Shodavda have said about advertisement, yes, that's true. But problem is also there that different companies use different popular faces to advertise their product. But at the end, what we can see that this popular faces charges a lot rupees for their act. And at the end, when the businessman actually taking all over the manufacturing cost, then what type of cost is needed for the advertisement? They rather try to add this in from in the sell value.
But not only about the expense of bearing the expense of celebrities to fish off their show off their products to the common peoples. I think also in my mind, I think confusion is also be the proper reason here of advertisement taking as a burden in our life. We know we are feeling in confusion. I want to share a joke with my experience, sharing my experience. One of my friend has said that he was a lot of fans of lot of Bollywood actors, and they also recommending a lot of products, and he also using all of them. At least he confused every time of he is confusing, and one time he asked me that what product I will use, you recommend me, because he is already confused of every product he has used, but he did not find any type of betterment of his skin. So therefore
it is so much right, because you already I agree with the some more points. Because I already earlier said that it is a part of the distribution, selling and distribution over it. So when a company incurred cost for towards the selling and distribution, is also charges with the product, and it will be collect from the customers. So at the entry level, it's so easy for any product, because it's not incurred any huge cost, but the survival of the product is very difficult, because it is also decided by the advertisement. You take an example of the Thumbs Up. Thumbs Up introduced with the Limca or Sprite or other product, but the survival and the growth of the product is very high, because the unique concept of the Thumbs Up, it is provide the certain type of benefits to the product, and the growth of the product is very high, and day by day the market share of the Thumbs Up company, it increase because of this advertisement.
And you know that one of the thing of that is included in the advertisement, that is branding, and branding is one of the thing that could be attracted to the consumers, and consumer can be attractive to the product, and they can purchase, and by this way. And one of the thing is that you know that you have a practical experience when you purchase a product, that labeling, that can be a big role, play a big role in the product. And I think at the end of the day, we have to see the actual quality of the product. If the quality of the product cannot be survived properly, then we have to be, I think,
Change our mindset.
Change our mindset, and by this way. And you know that I also give an example, that is Colgate. Colgate have the big network, and by this way, each and every day morning we have to use the product, because they have that certain quality, and the branding also, and advertisement. So the advertisement can create a new system of the company, new thing of the company. By this way, the company can be
Get development.
financially strong.
Financially
So that is.
So at the end, when I would like to say a new trend is there, that customer review. Yes, beside of advertisement of a product by different popular faces, the company would like to suggest to different random customers and take their feedback that what is the problem in their particular product and how can they upgrade. And another thing is that advertisement is just like a first impression. Actually, the first impression, we call the first impression is the last impression. And if the first impression of a product are so good in the customer angle of view, then I think the product will be last long in the market. Yeah.
It is also true, because the product has the different type of product. We know that the strategic management, the four product existing in the market, if the four product has a different type of the attributes and they carry their benefits. Some product has the growth, some products has not. But you know that the Horlicks, Complan and Bonvita, other type of products has the increase, but they are not existing in the market because of their no unique advertisement. And you know that advertisement is include everywhere. When you visit in a mall, you see that the famous product or the star product also advertised in the front of the row. It is a part of the advertisement everywhere. When you purchase some things, Bubun already told that labeling is very important, because the labeling is also carry the brand value of this product, and it is everywhere you see that the brand value and the advertisement, it is a totally include, and it is not a totally exclusively, it is totally includable.
But we know that we are depending on advertisement. Why? Because of selecting those product which is advertised by the companies, advertised by the celebrities. But there is also a negative point there. What is from the buyers, from the consumer side, we are being the prey of inflation of money. The cost of the money is going higher and higher, and not only that, the quality is going downwards. Because of advertisement, the company is only thinking about their own facilities, their own profits, but we the consumers, we the buyers also running in loss. So therefore it's a big loss for us.
And one proverb is posted in the market that if the product is the quality is high, then the product automatically can be sell in front of the consumer, and consumer can buy. I think this concept is wrong, because this is the saturated concept, because few players or few people are known about their product. If the product cannot be branded or advertised by the company, so advertisement is one of the things that can be the product can be knowledgeable about in front of the consumers. So advertisement is one of the big part of the company, and that can be play a big role for the future of the company, I think.
And not only that, what I would like to say that sometimes brand value, sometimes advertisement and brand values plays the bigger role, because many times I have seen that in comparison of two particular products, one product carries more specifications, but due to the other brandings and advertisement of the other product, the other product click the market, can catch up the market. So advertisement, especially brand values, carries a vital role to existence of a product in the market for a long time.
When you discuss about the drawbacks of the product, with some be a bad businessman or who practice the malpractice, they are existing. But we know at the famous state, the caveat importer, we all know that let the buyer be aware about the product, and that's why the invent the consumer forum. If you have any wrong statement or anything about the product, you made by the fraudulent act, then you just sweat against this product or against this company in the consumer forum. It is your liable, and advertisement is just an offer. It's not enforced by the company to purchase the product, and it is also very much crucial for you when you purchase the product. You judge the fit at the quality of this product, and after that purchasing this product you cannot liable the company. You are the always under the terms and condition.
Yes, and company always advertise in their product that they also highlight the terms and conditions method, because they cannot be liable for their products by any way. So, but they sometimes the few companies, they are not doing their business for a long time. They are trying to misleading and miscommunicate to the consumers, and they also advertise the product in a star.
And also
And by this way they can just I think fraudulent to the market, and I think this is not right for that. And one thing is that my friend already told his concern that brand value of the company. I also give an example, that is Apple. We know about the company, they have a brand value of 14 lakh crore. So this is not a minimal rupees. So if the company can advertise properly and the quality of the company can be maintained and regularly, then consumer can be trusted on the company and company can be grown.
it's true, yes, it's true, but I want to include a point here, that is the competitions. You know, a lot of companies are there of various things, and from which we have to select the best one, but it is impossible because we are confused by a lot of celebrities who are start recommending us that you choose this product. And not only that, by dint of competition, the companies are not utilizing the resources, rather they're trying to misuse the resources, and for that reason we are being the prey of it.
Okay.
And so in the conclusion I would like to say that in the market, by these types of competition, by advertisement, actually we got the benefit, because we know that after shining we may get the gold. So in the competition, who is the winner, we can say that he is the it is the best product in the market for all situation. So in the conclusion, what I would like to say that we and my team have given different types of examples and so many real life examples, and the viewers who are listening our live over the social media, watching our lives over the social media, they also can relate these examples with their life, and it will be helpful for them. So that's all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you.